I'm going to be installing these U-bolts on this back rack for a broom holder. Keep watching the video. Welcome back, it's Jeff Lepard from DoItAllCeiling.com, and on this channel we do line painting, asphalt repair, paving, and so much more. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. So I want to put a broom holder on this back rack, just reason being, I'm always working on this side of the truck rather than put the broom back every time I'm finished using it with the rest of my tools. So I've had this installed before, and this back rack doesn't have it, so I'm going to be installing it myself. So what you need is just two U-channel bolts, and I'm just going to line it up. I'm going to mark out where I'm going to install them, and then of course I'm going to sand down the paint in order to weld these to the back rack. So first thing I need to do is mark out where these are going. So I'm just using this level, not to make sure it's level. Of course, the truck is sitting on uneven surface, but the bottom of the level is flush against the base of the back rack. So I'm gonna be able to tell that this is gonna line up once I put a broom in. So essentially, I'm gonna mark this onto the back rack, and I know that it's gonna line up and it's gonna be as straight as possible. So all I'm gonna do is just leave a little bit of a mark here. Just scratch the paint surface where I'm going to be sanding down the back rack. Just like that. So I just have this sander with some 60 grit sandpaper, and I'm just going to sand the markings on the paint. That way the weld will stick a lot better to the U-bolt. So I'm ready to install the U-bolts now, and I'm just going to really quickly get a piece of tack weld there just to hold it, so that I can use the rest of my, I can use the face shield to do the welding for the rest of the bolt. But right now I just want to hold it roughly straight, and I'm just going to give it a little bit of a blast here just to hold it in one place. So you want to close your eyes to make sure that you don't get to view the blast of this. So okay, and that's done. Now I'm going to use the face shield for protection and continue welding the other side and all around the bolt. So I've got the first U-bolt installed and welded. Same thing with the second one. I'm just gonna line that up with the markings. I'm gonna tack coat it to keep my eyes closed, and then continue welding the second U-bolt. Line that up. Okay. And that'll hold in place. So the welding is complete. The U-bolts are installed. I'm going to be putting some prime and paint next. First thing I want to do is just make sure that it does actually working and function. It works and functions exactly what I want it to do. And here we have my crack broom, of course, for driveway sealing, and that's in the loops. And this is safe and secure. And you can put anything you can imagine you can put through there, a bigger broom. In fact, you could probably even put a broom and a shovel. The opening is quite large. You could probably put two of these through this loop here. So next thing is to prime and paint. Okay, so now that the primer has dried, I'm going to be using some black paint just to finish it off and give it a bit of a more presentable look. So that's it. It's just got to dry and the job is complete. Just want to thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, bash that bell to turn notifications on for all upcoming videos. Share the video, like the video, leave a comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Jeff Lepard, doitallceiling.com. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.